Hi friends, Diwali is around and we all are in that festivity zone that we want to have that wonderful Diwali. We want to celebrate it. Wow. Then what is actually happening inside us is we are having that emotional spike which is going in the festivity zone. So we're already at a peak, and why not use this Diwali energy to manifest abundance? है ना? It's simple. Like we're already there, so let's just do a simple manifestation technique today, and so that you're able to have a wonderful Diwali and you can manifest abundance along with it. And those of you who do not know me, who am I? I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma and I'm a success manifestation coach, and I'm making this video for you today so that you can apply a simple manifestation technique. So you will learn a new manifestation technique from me today and you will manifest abundance during this Diwali. And please do like this video and share this with all who needs it, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive notification when I upload more such informative video. So let's begin. Manifest abundance using Diwali energy. So folks, today this is a new and very simple no-brainer manifestation technique. I've got a cord or a thread. It's black because I don't want to attract any negativity. So I've got this, and simple काम है, बहुत छोटा सा. Whatever we want to manifest, we are going to visualize that and make a knot here. All right, simple thing to do, not very difficult, very simple. And how that will manifest abundance. So what will happen is I'll make a full visualization of that Diwali thing that I want to do, and I'll just feel that entire knot, and universe will take care of the money that I need to manifest it. And that's how manifestations work. Money is just, it's just a means to an end, and end is my happiness, my fulfillment. So let's do these manifestation techniques with me. You can pause the video and bring a thread like this, a string like this, and then start it again. And as I'm manifesting my Diwali, you can do it along with me. All right, so up to you. So I'm just going to start. So just notice what I'm doing. So my first Diwali wish is that my house should be freshly painted, all clean and beautifully done, and I want to redo a few things in my interior, and I'm visualizing that that's all done, and I'm feeling it and tying a knot. Okay, the next thing I want is that I want to distribute a lot of gifts, which this time I want to do it differently. So I'm visualizing that I've got a lot of gift boxes, and then I'm going ahead and distributing them, sending them with my driver and every other place. It's getting distributed, and now I'm feeling very happy about it. Universe will take care how that'll happen. Okay, now I'm going to have a few card parties, and it will be all beautifully done in a beautifully decorated house, and the guests will come and we'll enjoy playing cards, and I can see myself playing cards, and we are laughing and giggling and having a great time and making it memorable Diwali, and it's going all beautifully. Okay, all right, now I'm going to have great Diwali puja, and there's so much money lying when we are doing Lakshmi puja, and all the people in my family look absolutely happy with all the money which is there, and we have set up packets for Diwali bonus for the staff, and we have taken out money for charity, and we are doing our puja, Lakshmi Pujan, Ganesh Lakshmi Pujan with great joy, and we are extremely happy, and puja is getting done very beautifully, and then we are lighting the diyas, Children are very happy, joyful. We're calling everyone and we're going and meeting the neighbors. Neighbors are coming to our house. A lot of exchange of Diwali sweets is happening, and we are very, 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 very happy. And we are also dressed up nicely, beautifully in nice ethnic Diwali wear. Yeah. All right. Now, after Diwali, uh, it's all beautifully done, and the next day festivals and everything is taken care of very, very beautifully. I've taken out money for charity, and I'm distributing the charity, and everybody is happy when they're receiving the charity. And it's all just going so nice. Wow. And so we have made excellent money during Diwali. As Diwali went by, we realized that a lot of money came in from unexpected places, and then we houses full of all the wealth and abundance and happiness, and it's just all fabulous. All right, now this is my Diwali manifestation, and I'm keeping it with me, and I will open the knots when this manifestation would be done. And so you can also do it. Make these knots, keep them with you, and when your manifestations are done, you can open them and you can manifest a lot of abundance during Diwali using your Diwali energy. So best wishes for your manifestations and Diwali. Have a wonderful, wonderful time ahead, and I hope you enjoyed this manifestation technique. And for the simplest way to learn manifestations, I have recorded and uploaded my course, Manifestation Mastery course, and you can just click in the link below and have access to it and learn step by step all the intricate details and nitty-gritties, and then you can be a manifestation master and manifest a lot of things. So all the best, and see you later in the next video.